yes you do. Since I met you, I'm not the same. You bring life to everything I do.
Actually, dahil ako si Purple lang yan. Sabi ko,
Just the way
We're good.
you
Kung ano man meron kami ngayon. We're happy about it and we're
with
proud.
one touch, I can't let go. Never
ang
thought
qualities ng dream girl ko ang nakay Marian. Magaling mag-alaga.
because of you.
Na gusto ko sa isang lalaki na ang kay Dong. Kasi ako, kung ano yung nakikita sa akin, gusto ko, ginugusto yung bilang ako. Nakita ko yung kay Dong na kahit anong ginagawa ko, parang na-appreciate niya pa, ay, ganyan ka pala. So, yung appreciation lang niya, doon na parang, wow. Wow. Wow.
Looking forward to the day na makikita kita sa lahat ng cover ng magazines dahil naniniwala ko that you're gonna be GMA's next biggest star. At gusto ko pagdating ng araw na yun, pag tinanong ka nila, ang isasagot mo sa tanong na kung sino ang paborito mong leading man, sana ang sasagutin mo ako.
You captured something inside of me. You make all my dreams come true. It's not enough that you love me for me. You reached inside and touched me eternally. I love you best explains how I feel for you. Because
Yung
of
sinabi niya na
you.
in love siya sa akin sa New York, eh hindi ko alam yan. Naalam ko lang din yan nung in-interview siya at nagulat din ako doon.
For the love
Dahil, syempre, you know, it just happened. So,
because of you. I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you. My life has changed.
Oh,
Thank
Ding
you
Dong?
for the
Yung
love
pinakamatimbang at pinakamahalagang pag-ibig na totoo siya.
I feel no shame. I'll tell the world.
1,000,000 kalapating pinakawalan.
Thank you, Daddy.
I love you too ha, ingat ha, nasaan ka man.
Can't deny when you hold me, I just lose control. I want you to know
My love,
that
happy birthday rin sa'yo.
letting go.
Daddy, and I will love you forever.
I want the world to see it's because of you. Because of you, my life has
Sabi sa kanya na
changed.
thankful ako na nandyan siya para sa akin.
siguraduhin lang nilang tama ang sinasabi. Eh, dahil kung hindi, manda sila.
I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you.
Dito sa buhay ko, sobrang saya ko sa pili ni Dong.
Thank you
Very
for
okay.
the
In fact,
love.
kami, we've never been this happy. So, confident naman kami sa relationship namin. That we're stronger now than